If you want this dynamic rolling image in your website or in your client's website, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I'm a web designer and a social media manager. I sell my service to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. Now we are inside the GoHighLevel website builder. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna delete this rolling image effect, and I'm gonna input this with the code which is inside the GoHighLevel code snippets. When you go into dynamic effects, you can find that code underneath the continuous scrolling effect. If you already have this GoHighLevel code snippets, that's great. Or if you want this, you can find it in the link in the description. The sale runs in a couple of months. It ends at end of Feb. It's a New Year sale. So get this as soon as possible. Just copy the code, go inside the GoHighLevel website builder and find a place where you want to put this. For me, I'm gonna put this here. Click the plus icon, get the code, open code editor and copy it and save it. As you can see, at the moment the code is running properly, but there is no image inside. We have to put all the images from the storage which is inside the GoHighLevel image storage. Let me show you how you can access it. When you click on this image icon, it shows all the images you have stored inside the website builder. When you upload your image to put it inside the website, as you can see, I've already have all the images: Google, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all the images already inside. So I'm going to give you a small gift. I'm going to put all this image inside a drive, and I'll leave the link inside the GoHighLevel code below the description. If you want to put your own images inside the code, what you can do is you can go inside Canva. As you can see, I've made those images inside Canva. That's because if you are making images which is different from other images in dimension, it's not going to look good. So what you can do is copy and paste the page and make the graphics inside each images like you are seeing inside Canva, and you can download it and you can upload it inside the media storage which is built inside the GoHighLevel website builder. So after uploading all the images inside, what you can do is get the link, click on the section, open the code editor, scroll down. As you can see, your image link, that's image number 1. So you shouldn't change anything else inside this code. Just paste your link within the double quotes like this, and do the same, which is going to duplicate the image with the smooth rolling effect without any interruption. Do the same on this. Paste. So you're gonna do this same to all the other link. As you can see, I've marked everything inside: image 2, image 3, image 4, the same image 3, image 2, so that you won't get confused. And let's see what happens after save. As you can see, the Google image has been saved and it's running properly. It's on a loop. Let's do that for another image. Go inside media, get the link of Instagram, go inside the code. I'm gonna paste this for say in the image number 7. Paste image number 7, paste and save. Voila. So now I'm gonna do this to all the other image and I'll get back. As you can see, after putting all the links within the code, it's running properly over here. It may look like too much, but you can do it in 5 minutes. It's not a big deal. And you can obviously get all the images below the code. I'll link it below the description. And if you want to make the scrolling strip a bit bigger or increase the speed of the scrolling animation, you can do that as well. You can do everything within the code, but please don't change anything else. Just change what I'm asking you to do. This is it, the width. You can change the width. You can change the color of the background of the strip. At the moment it's at white. And this is the width of each image, how much big it should be inside the strip. And this is the margin right, how much space it needs to have within the images. And this is the image height. And you don't have to play around with the keyframe. This is the main block, which is holding everything together to give that smooth transition. As you scroll up, you can see the track that holds the image slides. The slider track, it shows slide 15 seconds. You can change it to 20 seconds. That's going to be slower than the 50 seconds. So you can just plug and play. So you can change the width and height of the image. You can increase the space between the image. You can increase the width of the strip. You can increase or decrease the speed of the strip. You just have to go inside the dynamic effect, get the continuous scrolling effect, copy it, paste it inside your GoHighLevel website builder. Voila, it's that simple. You just have to put all the links inside and you're done. It's just going to take you around 5 minutes, and it may look like it's too much. When you go inside, it's going to be stressful because it's like coding and stuff, but it's really simple. As I showed you, it's just simple. If you want to plug and play all kinds of crazy animations and effects you are seeing inside the website, or if you want this actual website, you can find it, link in the description. The sale ends, so get this as soon as possible. I hope you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.